Yeah. It's not real, I don't even wanna go back home.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Myra over here. In today's video I have a nail tutorial and I'm gonna be trying Modelones for the first time. I don't know if you guys know, but I have been doing my nails for over a year by myself. I don't go to the nail salon, so I am really excited to be working with a nail brand here on my channel. So Modelones sent me 5 different gel polishes to try, a set with a base coat, nail primer, and top coat, and they also sent me a mini UV LED nail lamp, which is really exciting. So right now I am showing you guys how the colors look like. They are all really pretty and very pigmented, and honestly I love the packaging. Like the square with the bamboo top, it's amazing. It's really pretty and it looks really sleek. As you guys can see right here, this is a swatch of each one of the gel colors that I received side by side. They are very pigmented. Here I'm opening the nail gel kit with the top coat, base coat, and the nail primer. Honestly, right now these are my favorite top coats and base coats, and I've been using it since I received this kit. They are amazing, and I'm definitely going to restock on them to make sure I don't run out. Here's the cute mini UV light. It's super cute. I used to have one like that, but not from this brand before, and it broke. So I hope this one can last a little longer. I have been doing a lot of nails lately, and this is an extra lamp that you can use to dry extra nails. So lately I have been doing press-on nails, and right now I'm just placing the putty, sticky paste, or whatever you call that thing, on the holders so I can put my nail tips on it. I'm using extra long tips for this video. I usually don't wear the extra long tips because I can't really do much with it in real life, but I thought it was gonna be fun and really pretty to use them for the design I had in mind. I went ahead and I buffed and filed my nails outside the camera. I also made sure to clean them with a little bit of alcohol pads to make sure I remove all the residue from the filing. And right now I'm just applying a coat of the base coat and all of the nail and curing them for 90 seconds. I always cure my nails for 90 seconds just to make sure they are all dry with no problems. While the second set of nails is drying, I'm gonna go ahead and start painting my nails. These are the 4 colors I am going to focus on today. The main one is gonna be light, which is this minty green, super pretty color. I think it's so pretty and appropriate for the summer. You know, I'm about to slay these nails and look amazing in this warm weather because this color is just so bright and so pretty. It's actually not too bright because it kind of giving me pastel vibes, which is really pretty. I am putting the main color mainly on 3 on the nails, and then I'm gonna do 2 accent nails. In one of them I'm gonna put out the Africa White shade, which is the white gel polish I received from them. I'm only gonna do 1 coat of that color, and then on the second accent nail I'm gonna do a little, you know, cut thing, design. I don't even know how to say it, but you guys can see what I'm doing right there with the main color. And as you guys can see, this is how the nails look with just 1 coat of the gel polish. Super pigmented. I love it. Super thick, super pigmented. A little bit goes a long way. Here I'm repeating the steps on the second set of nails while the other one is curing under the UV light. And I know I'm not showing it, but I actually did use the Modelones UV light that came with my set. Second set with just one coat, just as pretty as the first one. I'm gonna go ahead now and place the second coat of gel polish on these beautiful nails that I'm creating. I'm only gonna do 2 coats of gel because, like I said, these colors are extremely pigmented and thick, and a little bit goes a long way. I'm gonna go ahead, put the second coat and cure it for 90 seconds again. While doing the second hand, I realized I wanted to change the green accent nail a little bit, and as you guys are gonna see now, I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know, make it as a little bit of a French cut, sort of. I was gonna do very much of a cracked green thing, but I wasn't really convinced it was gonna look the way I wanted it to look, so I changed it to a French cut, and I left the top part clear. While those are drying, I'm gonna go ahead and start working on the second accent nail, which is basically an abstract mixed of the 4 colors I picked for this set. I'm gonna use a little nail art brush to mix it up, and then I'm going to use another one, a flat brush, to pick up the colors and place it on the nail, on the white nail. That's why I needed the white color as a base, so the colors can pop a little more. I think my camera died when I was doing this nail, but basically this is how it ended up looking. I added some gold flakes, and right now I'm just using clear structured gel to make sure the gold flakes don't go anywhere. Now that I'm done with all of my nails, I'm just putting 1 coat of the top coat to make sure I finish up. And this is I think this top coat doesn't need to be wiped down, but I'm still gonna wipe it down because I'm extra like that. And yeah, it was super easy to use. The colors are very pigmented, like I said. A little bit goes a long way with all of them. Even the top and base coat is just pretty. It's a really nice. These are the final nails. Aren't they pretty? I'm removing them right now from the press on nails holder and placing them in order so I can show you guys how they look. But first, I'm gonna make sure I file the sides to make sure I don't have any extra polish in there, and I'm gonna wipe them down with some tissue paper and alcohol to make sure they're clean and they don't have any residue on them. This set came out so good. I'm really excited and really just happy with the results. I'm also happy that I get to work with Modelones because these colors are fire. Can't wait to try more things from them. So fire. So this is the final set. I am just so happy with the results. And now I'm gonna show you guys how they look in my hands. And 1, 2, 3. This is the final result. I did put some cuticle oil to make sure my hands don't look dry on camera. I use regular nail glue to put this on, and they usually last about 2 weeks. So yeah, I really hope you guys like this video. Please make sure to check out my description box because I have all the links to all of these products. This is a close up, so pretty. I'm just so happy that I got to work with Modelones. These products are amazing. I give them a 10 out of 10. And yeah, I'm highly recommend them. So yeah, this is all for this video. I hope you guys like it. Thank you very much for tuning into my channel. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed yet. Also, let me know in the comment section what do you think about this nice, beautiful set I just created. And see you on my next video. Bye!